I am back again this year with my little chatty videos. So today I was going to do a quick little painting experiment slash tutorial about how I customized my pretty little Frida pot after I created it on a 3D printer. So firstly, give it a sand because some parts can come out really sharp. Next, I grabbed some isopropyl alcohol and wiped it down to get rid of any dirt or oils from my hands. After that, I prepped it with this plastic primer, giving it a nice coat, and you can just get this from Bunnings. I got it from the spray paint section. It's specifically for plastic. After that, I forgot to film that I added a couple of coats of clear gesso, and then that made it ready to paint, which is my favorite part. So with this one, I stuck to the classic colors of Frida, the nice golden brown skin tone with a deep black hair and eyebrows. And while I'm painting here, I just wanted to give you some random facts about Miss Frida. Did you guys know that she had an accident when she was younger and she got impaled by some sort of metal and it stopped her from being able to have babies? Yeah, fun fact. Also, another fun fact is that if you're a visual arts teacher in New South Wales, you're probably sick and tired of hearing about Frida Kahlo in our HSC exams because she gets written about a lot from what my colleagues say. So if you're a HSC student in visual arts, maybe you don't choose her as one of your artist case studies. Maybe pick someone else, be a bit more different, fascinating, unusual, whatever that is. Anyways, I got not very into the dark. It was too dark for me, so I lightened up her skin tone, and that made me feel a little bit better. It dried really, really dark. I forgot, paint dries darker than you imagine. You got to remember that. And then I just went in with the same matching black paint as her hair, and carefully painted in her eyes. Gave it a little bit of tonage around her, under her eyes and things. Eyebrows, you cannot forget the glorious Frida Kahlo eyebrows. So I just took my time here and used a really thin brush to try and get that nice unibrow situation. And also I just started, obviously with my style, I like to do little blushes. So I went in and did some blushy cheeks and little teeny tiny lippies with the teeny tiny brush. And this is my favorite part, honestly, just sitting and just tuning out and painting, painting the day away, which was glorious for the first week back, second week, third week. We're in the fourth week now of school, which is ridiculous. Anyways, Belle started kindy. It's a whole thing. It's a whole thing every morning trying to get her to get up and get to school and be excited about school. But hopefully she'll get there. So now I'm just going to add the little eyelashes, pretty little eyelashes, and then I decided to paint the inside of the pot just like a purple, just because I like purple, that's why we do these things. I also forgot to say that this file I got for free. I downloaded it for free off of Thingiverse, I think it was. So if you're looking for 3D printed files for free, that was a great place. And I kept looking and I found printables, which looks really fascinating, and I'm very excited to print something on that this week. And I will show you everybody what I print after that. So back to the pot though, because I get distracted. I'm going with my Poscas, just giving the flower crown, just like a nice little colouring, what else can I explain about this? Honestly, I'm just painting the flowers, colours that I like and think are really nice together. In the last final touches, I do get some gold paint and I give her some little gold studs on her ears, which I feel like enhances the look of the pot. But you can judge however you wish. And then this is still going. Oh, this is a lot of painting. No, don't hum a song. Okay, I can't help it now. Okay. All right, highlights for the glorious eyeballs And this is kind of in that Funko Pop style too. So next up, a final step is spray it with a gloss spray varnish, or you could use Mod Podge. I just ran out of Mod Podge. But anyways, that's how I custom painted a 3D Frida Kahlo pot. Enjoy your day. Have a lovely Monday, Tuesday, whatever day you're seeing this. Yeah. Thanks for listening to my rambling. And I love 3D printing right now. It's so cool.